This custom second-floor fire escape was designed and installed for a fourplex residential building, providing a reliable emergency second exit for families on second floor. The structure is fully steel-framed, securely anchored to the building, and built to meet all safety and building code requirements. Each stair, platform, and railing is fabricated with precision, ensuring long-term durability and stability in all weather conditions. Finished in a black powder coating, this exterior fire escape is made to perform and protect the residents while maintaining a clean architectural look. At Art Metal Workshop, we specialize in custom exterior metal staircases, fire escapes, and perimeter metal fences across Toronto and the GTA. Art Metal Workshop, modern metal fabrication, made in Canada.